In this week's Dealing with Dollars, we're taking a look at why car insurance is getting more expensive. WFXR's Evan Johnson sits down with a local financial expert to get answers and find out how you can keep your rates low.
Well, if you've recently renewed your car insurance, chances are you have noticed an increase in your premium. Well, here with us today to help us deal with the rising auto insurance rates is financial expert Maynard Keller. Maynard, it's good to see you again.
Good to see you too, Evan.
So the first question I'm sure a lot of folks at home have today is, why is their car insurance increasing?
Well, I think the first reason is that the price of vehicles has gone up. Whether you're trying to buy a used vehicle or if you can find a new vehicle, you'll find that the price is very high. And I looked at, someone suggested I buy a new car. I looked at a new Suburban, $85,000 to $90,000. Wow. And think about that, if that were in an accident, how much it would cost to fix that. So that's one of the main reasons why the price has gone higher on your premiums.
Yeah. So what can folks do to keep their premiums down?
Well, first is by choosing a lower cost vehicle. It's kind of obvious. You have that new Suburban in an accident, they're going to fix it, but it's going to cost you.
Right.
You have an old, like my son had a 1998 Ford Explorer, worth next to nothing. Well, the insurance is much lower on that kind of car. And so choosing the right kind of car is very helpful. Now, there are other things that you can do to reduce your premium. Now, things you can do yourself, and then things as far as your behavior. Think about choosing a car for a son, for example. Your son turns 16. What are you going to buy for him? That old Ford Explorer or a brand new Corvette? So choose the right kind of car for the right kind of person, because the risk for that Corvette's going to be so high, the premium is going to be very high. Now, what you can also do is consider the type of coverage you have. Now, don't skimp on liability coverage. That's the main purpose of insurance. Get an accident, it'll pay the claim. But there are other areas that you can reduce that will help you. For example, if you have an older car, does it pay to have collision coverage on that car? If it's not worth that much, why pay a high premium for that coverage? Now, your behavior can also affect things, such as tickets and speeding and those type of things. Tickets not only cost you out of your wallet, but they can those points can go against your record and therefore cost your insurance more. Now, another tip is to bundle your home and auto. You hear that all the time, bundle your home and auto, but it's true though. You can get a significant discount by bundling your home and auto with the same company. Now, as far as other tips, if you have younger drivers, my youngest driver just graduated from high school, the youngest of my 5 children, and the company we use offers good student discounts, offers safe driving discounts, offers all these types of discounts that you may be entitled to if you simply ask.
Well, those are some really good tips there, Maynard. Thanks for sharing these tips with us today.
Oh, you're welcome.
And if you missed any of the tips that Maynard did share today, all you have to do is visit the Dealing with Dollars page on WFXRTV.com. There you will be able to find these tips as well as many more. Back to you.
Those are very helpful tips, Evan. Thank you. Don't forget to watch Dealing with Dollars every Thursday right here on WFXR News at 6. And if you have a Dealing with Dollars idea, let us know. Head over to WFXRTV.com, click the Community tab, and then click on Dealing with Dollars. There you're going to see a place where you can submit your ideas.